First prize of 2024 is this vintage Gucci bag, which I love. Like when I saw it, I just knew I was supposed to have it in my closet. So I'm thinking about doing what's in my bag because it's one of my go-to bags to go to work. So yeah, let's talk about what's in my bag and what fits inside. My name is Magdalene, only channel talk about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. And I do believe if you look good, you feel your best. So let's talk about what fits into my vintage Gucci bag. This you can see the bag is kind of worn, you know it's old, it's deliciously heavy and beautiful. It's like it's a vintage Gucci bag that comes with the typical horsebit. So if you know that horsebit design came trending again last year 2024. It was more like an archival piece that was brought forward and people loved it. And when I saw a vintage version of this bag, I was like, girl, I have to have it. So this bag is a simple shoulder bag. The chain is very heavy. When I received this bag, I knew that yes, it was a good bag because it's heavy, it's rich, it's giving me life because the bag looked like someone has used it and still kept it intact for me and now it's in my family. So what really fits into this bag? So it's more like it's an east-west type kind of bag. So you can tell it's this east-west design of bags was very common with the old designs of many designer brands. Yeah, so you can tell because east-west is fitting most of my essentials. As you can see, there is still room and space to fit in a whole lot. So this can fit in your camera if you're such that love to vlog. It can fit in my phone. It's fitting a lot. So let's just bring out what's in my bag on a typical work day. So first thing first, I have my house keys. So the house keys necessary, and these are just straight into the bag. But this bag also have a side zipper which you can fit in your small cash. Currently, there's no cash in it because I've not cash for it for work. But anyway, I digress. So it also fits my typical work ID card. I can't show you my ID card, not necessarily. So for me, I always go to work with my Vaseline because why they are not. You know, we people that do our regular 95, we're always in a hurry to go to work. Most times you use your lotion, most times you're out the door and you forget to use your lotion. And sometimes even when you use your lotion, your leg become ashy and you just want to moisturize. So yeah, I got this Vaseline. I said when I started using this small vaccine, I realized that this vaccine, I realized that it's actually very, very useful for me. So when I got the other one I have got finished, I got another one. I recently got a new one. I was thinking I could get two of this because this doesn't really last. It lasts at least 3 weeks. It doesn't get up to a month. And I really wish I could get a bigger size, but anyway, this has come in very handy at work. So this Vaseline, when I forget my lip gloss, I can use that lip gloss. I use it for my hand cream. I use it for my leg to clean all the ash, and I really love that. Then for days where I don't know, it can be crazy when you're going to work and you're like, I need to spray perfume. I need to spray perfume. I need to spray perfume. And there's some days when you forget to spray perfume because probably your work is supposed to start by 7:15, 7:20, and you woke up by 7:15. And you have to dash out of the door. So I needed a perfume. So I got this perfume oils, and this has also helped. So whenever I'm having all those days, I always have these perfume oils in my bag, and they come in really handy. I've not really gotten around how to really apply it properly. I just apply it like I normally use my perfumes. But leave me a comment down below. How do you apply your perfume oils? So since I'm just getting a hang of perfume oils, so I don't really know if I want more when these ones are done. But I discovered from a colleague that perfume oils also come as they come with their own spray pump, so you can get a version that you can spray on your body. And I'm wondering, that perfume when you spray on your body, would that work for people? Are you going to spray it on your body or your outfit? Perfume oil, I feel, is meant for your body, so it shouldn't be on your outfit. But let me know in the comment down below, what do you guys think about using perfume oil as the spray version? But because this has come in handy for the days where I'm like, oh no, I can't help it, I need to run out. And yeah, so that's it. Then I have my medications in my bag. I struggle with anxiety. I don't mean to talk about it in the video, but yeah, I have my medication given to me by my therapist, so I take it daily. And lip gloss, yeah, lip gloss is an essential for me lately because I think towards the end of last year, the weather became so cold. You would think it's Hamatan, the weather is cold, and all of a sudden, Lagos, as if everything just went poof, and that was it. So yeah, but really, I still need the lip gloss to just keep my lips moisturized. And I love this particular one. It doesn't change the color of my lips. It's just there, but it has glitters on it. So just give it a little bit of interest, which I actually do love for me. I love this lip gloss. I've been reaching out for it a lot, and this is relatively cheap. Like when I saw it, I wanted to get more of it, and I'm still going to get more of this variation. I have another one that is they call it magic lip gloss, and it changes to red. But I think I'm kind of bored with it. I wanted actually to get lip gloss that is light, that doesn't change, just normal lip gloss. But when I wanted that, I got something else that was like magic lip gloss. But I still went for this, and I'm still going to get more of this brand lip gloss because I just feel I'm not such that I just want to dress up for work and do a whole makeup. I hardly do makeup when I'm going to work. So yeah, lip gloss just to moisturize my lips. The powder when I'm feeling like it, yeah, the lip gloss comes in handy. Then I have my wallets. This is one cute wallet I got from Jumia, and it has been serving me. I got it as a set of two. It has stayed with me for maybe 2 years now, and it has lasted. I fit in my debit cards into it, and I think with that my debit card have been able to stay intact. No, most times when okay, because my 9 to 5 job involves being working in the financial sector, and I realize that most clients of ours or customers fit in their debit card just anywhere. And when you fix in your debit card anywhere, sometimes the chip gets bad and you come back complaining and all that. But putting it in wallet, you keep your debit card in good shape. Doesn't the chip doesn't get bad. The expiry date may be 3 to 5 years based on what bank sector you use, but the chip is intact. So I highly recommend you get yourself a wallet, something like this to fit in your cards. You can fit your ID card into it if you're such that don't mind. Like having a wallet for me has made it easier for me to keep my cards in that. But I'm thinking of getting another wallet, not just for cards, but it's for cash. But when you have a bag like this that has a side zipper, I just put my cash inside zipper. Anyhow, so the next thing I'll talk about, I'm wrapping it in nylon, but a sanitary period pad. I always have it in my bag because you know, for some of us we don't have cramps. We don't know when period is coming, it just comes. So for days like that, when it just comes, and I think I recently started using the flow app anyway. Before I used to use one period app because I know my period does not give me any sign, it just comes. So that's why I have the period pad in my bags. But anyhow, started using the flow app recently, and I've not really gotten around it, so I can't really say much about it. But I was using this app then Rosa, and I check it when I feel like okay, it's time, it's getting close to my circle, and I use that. And then it was quite predictable, maybe exact, it may be a day before or a day after, but still you still need your period pad over because why not? So yeah, this is what I actually typically go to on a day when I'm not carrying my laptop. That's what you typically find in my bag. So what do you guys think about this vintage Gucci bag that I found? Let me know in the comment below. Is this something you will do if you find such in a thrift store and you're like, I need to have it? Will you actually go for it, or you will definitely pass? Let me know in the comment section below. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that you love my video and enjoy my content, and subscribe to my channel, and I would love to have you in my family till that.